Let's take a look at how you can create motors and equipment connections in Design Master Electrical. Model each piece of equipment, specifying the voltage, load, and other information. You can place the equipment on the drawing if you know where it goes, or add it to the database while the placement is finalized. Breaker and wire sizes can be set in the equipment. These values will be used when it is connected to a panel. Get an update to your equipment size? Change the equipment and the circuit will be updated to match. Equipment schedules can be inserted on your drawings. When you change your equipment, you can be confident that it is going to be changed on the drawing, in the schedule, and on the panel. There's a lot more our software can do. Create one-line diagrams, generate panel schedules, calculate feeder and service loads, calculate fault current, voltage drop, and arc flash, coordinate breakers, lay out lighting and power drawings, calculate photometrics, and even handle 3D modeling. Request a free demonstration today to learn more.